life is so wonderful, wonderful life.
اون مرد آلمانیه. این زن فرانسویه.
Formidable. Tu étais formidable, j'étais
این مرد بلژیکیه. اون زن ایرانیه. اون زن ایرانیه.
Felicità e tenersi per mano, andare lontano la felicità.
این مرد ایتالیاییه. ایندره لیتوانیاییه. For talking about nationalities in Farsi, we add E at the end of the name of a country. For example, Iran as the name of a country and Irani as someone coming from Iran. Belgique as the name of a country and Belgique as someone coming from Belgique. In some cases, the name of a country ends with a vowel, so adding E will get a bit complicated. So instead of E, we say E. For example, Lithuania, Lithuaniai, or America, Amerikai. Or in case of Faransé, because it ends with E, we say Faransavi instead of Faransai, which is a bit complicated, we say Faransavi. Belgique, Belgiki. Italia, Italiai. فرانسه، فرانسوی. چین، چینی. آلمان، آلمانی. ایران، ایرانی. آمریکا، آمریکایی. برزیل، برزیلی. In and un are two demonstratives that replace adjective and pronoun. In this lesson, in and un are demonstrative adjectives. In for talking about people and objects near to us, un for talking about people and objects not near to us. Great, that's all for this lesson. If you have found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Khodafez, till next time.